Welcome back to Lochs and Highways, everyone, and welcome back to Yorkshire. When I filmed this, I didn't actually realise that our Chrysler convoy was driving one of Jeremy Clarkson's favourite roads in the world, or one that's been used more than a few times on Top Gear for car tests. So let's sort that out, shall we? So, with that said, on today's programme, we take a closer look at the Buttertubs Pass, explore the history behind the Buttertubs, and take in the awe-inspiring scenery all around. Let's see what we missed out on the first time.
Moorland winds and winding road, every bend tells a story untold. The pass climbs high, the skies are clear. Yorkshire's calling, adventure's near. Engines roar and tires squeal. Feel the thrill of every wheel. Makes the wheel feel the rush through Yorkshire hills. The engines hush. Every bend of you to cheer. Buttertubs Pass, we're shifting gear. Twist the wheel, let the tires sing. Through moor and mist, the valleys ring. High and low, the thrill is near. Buttertubs Pass, we're shifting gear. Sheep on the hills and clouds that chase. Every corner brings a new embrace. Stones and streams, the valleys wide. Through Buttertubs Pass, we take the ride. Oh, the horizon bends and turns. Every mile our passion burns. Twist the wheel, feel the rush. Through Yorkshire hills, the engines hush. Every bend of you to cheer. Buttertubs Pass, we're shifting gear. Twist the wheel, let the tires sing. Through moor and mist, the valleys ring. High and low, the thrill is near. Buttertubs Pass, we're shifting gear. Clarkson loves it, and now we do. One more hairpin, let the views come through. Rev the engines, feel the power. Yorkshire's calling, let's hit top gear. Twist the wheel, feel the rush. Through Yorkshire hills, the engines hush. Every bend of you to cheer. Buttertubs Pass, we're shifting gear. Twist the wheel, let the tires sing. Through moor and mist, the valleys ring. High and low, the thrill is near. Buttertubs Pass, we're shifting gear. Through mist and moor, the road unwinds. Every twist a memory finds. Buttertubs Pass, we'll ride again. Where roads and thrill will never end.
Honestly, you can't help but stare a wee bit. The views are spectacular. Those deep limestone holes you see down there on the left, those are the Buttertubs themselves, massive potholes carved by rain and runoff over thousands of years. Fun fact, Jeremy Clarkson parked up in the lay-by here in his Escort Cosworth, clearly about to give the history of the place. But, well, he drove off instead. Unlike Jeremy, I'll actually give you the history. Shepherds in the 1800s used to guide their sheep past these holes on the way to market, and some say the name comes from the way butter was stored in tubs during the journey. Either way, these limestone holes were very much part of everyday life in the Dales back then. Practical, but also a bit of a landmark for those moving livestock through the hills. The pass itself winds through some of the most stunning parts of the Yorkshire Dales. No wonder this road caught the eye of Clarkson, and a few other car shows too. Bikers love it, drivers love it, and walkers get a treat too if you fancy a wander. The road might be narrow in places, but the views, absolutely breathtaking. Rolling hills, limestone outcrops, and valleys as far as the eye can see. It's the kind of scenery that stays with you long after you've passed. And if you're a car fan, well, it's exactly the kind of road you dream about tackling.
Roaring through the hills, wild and free. Chrysler 300, my steel beast with me. Wheels carve the path through stone and heath. Northern skies above, my spirits read. Wind in my hair, freedom in my veins. Rivers and valleys echo my reign. Mountains standing tall, proud and true. Every mile a story, every turn a view. Hills of the north, hear my cry at night. Metal light, taking flight. Echoes of legends lost in time. Modern chariots, savage and sublime. Through bracken and heather, tearing the ground. Every corner challenge, every mile a crown. Rivers dance to my thunderous tune. Sunset slow beneath the northern moon. In the shadow of giants, my wheels spin. Legends whisper as I dive in. Roads of glory under open skies. Living the dream, the spirit never dies. Hills of the north, hear my call tonight. Metal and light, taking flight. Echoes of legends lost in time. Modern chariot, savage and sublime.
And that's our wee spin along the Buttertubs Pass. If you want to see all the hairpins, climbs, and proper twists, check out the full video popping up in the top right or in the description. Later this year, I'll be putting together a proper drive, all the shorter Yorkshire adventures rolled into one longer epic journey. And not forgetting, there's more stunning road trips coming soon from the Highlands of Scotland, so stay tuned. If that sounds like your kind of thing, hit that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up if you don't mind, and drop a wee comment below. Tell me which twisty road's your favourite so far. Until then, drive safe, and I'll see you out there on the roads, or the trails.
On Lochs and highways, hearts run free, where the land meets sky and the soul can be. Through every road, through every sea, this is home, it's you and me. On Lochs and highways, hearts run free, where the land meets sky and the soul can be. Through every road, through every sea, this is home, it's you and me.